Thinking about creating an online store with WooCommerce? You can easily build a fully customizable shop with ShopEngine Pro. Start by choosing the plan that's right for you. They have several pricing options, from a single site license to a lifetime bundle. For this guide, we'll choose the single plan. Fill out your personal information, including your email, first name, and last name. Next, select your payment method to credit card or paddle. You'll also need to add your billing details, including your country and zip code. If you selected credit card as the payment method, enter your credit card information in payment info. Be sure to check the box to agree to the privacy policy and then click Purchase. Once your purchase is complete, you'll see a payment information page with all the details of your order. You'll get an email with your account information. Use the provided link to log into your WP account. From your dashboard, click on the Downloads tab to find the plugin. Download the zip file for ShopEngine Pro. Now, go to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over Plugins and click Add New. At the top of the page, click Upload Plugin. Click Choose File, then find and select the ShopEngine Pro zip file you just downloaded. Click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click Activate Plugin. To get your license key, return to your WP account and click on Products Licenses. Click on the name of the product you purchased. Under Add Domain, enter the full URL of your website and click Add Domain. A license key will be generated for your domain. Click the copy icon to copy it. Go back to your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand menu, hover over ShopEngine and click License. Paste your license key into the field. Finally, click Activate Now. That's it! You've successfully purchased and activated ShopEngine Pro.